The first question is, why did we select this?
Often at times, we forget to close the tap after we have started, and when we realize that the water has overflowed, so much of usable water is already wasted. To prevent this, we wanted the smart water tap mechanism we are making to be implemented at our homes as we thought them to be already existing. But after checking over web, we realized that they weren't there, and therefore we decided to make it ours. And the next question is, whom did you interview?
We interviewed our friends and family members over social networks. The next question is, how did we came to know about the problem?
I came to know about the problem while I was watching a movie called Do Lafzon Ki Kahani. In one of the scenes, the water overflowed and the protagonist was helpless. That is where it struck to my mind that we should be working over the problem of water overflowing caused when we forget to close the tap. What is your idea to solve the problem?
The idea is pretty simple, though it has a very unique mechanism. The idea is to have a tap that automatically stops the flow of water once the bucket under the tap is empty. Now, the next question is, how and why would our solution solve this?
This idea will definitely help solve the problem of water overflow because the tap would simply stop after the bucket is full. When this idea will be accepted and implemented throughout the world, it will save tons of water for present as well as future.
Step 1. Emitting an invisible ray of infrared light. The sensor on tap is triggered when an empty bucket is moved into its path, bouncing the light back into the sensor. This causes the water flow to start. Or it could be that you yourself keep the bucket and start the tap. Step 2. Meanwhile, the volume calculator finds dimensions and calculate the volume of water which can fit into this bucket and send these details to the transceiver, which is step 3. Step 4. The transceiver receives the messages and communicate with the IR sensor and obligate the IR sensor to stop the flow of water after certain volume as per instruction it received from the volume calculator. When the maximum volume input for IR reaches its level, water flow stops. This prevents overflow of water from bucket of any shape or size.